My mom and my sister were saying, because I was at work just a while ago, and I had a customer come in and said that there was a surprise waiting for me at home. And then whenever my mom and my sister picked me up later tonight, when my mom picked me up, then my sister was there too, and they were saying that there's a surprise in the kitchen for me, and they're fixing to bring it in my room, and I'm gonna see what it is. Tweety's here with me too, so he's eating corn. Hopefully I'm loud enough, but okay, we'll see. I don't know when y'all want to bring it. I'm scared. Wait, I'm scared. Okay, fine. I'll cover my eyes. Surprise! Should I open my? Are you on the video? Yes. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, really? Uh-huh. Pero no les dije yo que lo quería yo también. No les dije yo que lo quería también. No, me dije que no, ya se le iba a llevar la esa, ¿cómo se llama? La animal. Se la pedimos eso. Really? Ajá. Pero después aquella también corrió y le habló a la de animal. Que yo lo quería. Va aquí. Entonces la animal control. Que quiso meterle play big. If somebody claims it, que se le perdió, entonces es un secreto. Oh. Pero if by Friday, yes or no, nobody claims it, entonces es de nosotros. Friday? Ajá. Okay. Sí, ahorita nomás está con nosotros, pero si no lo hacen claim, entonces es de nosotros. Es un baby cat. Oh, it's baby. Not baby, pero Quakers, leave your eggs alone. Aww. Aww. Aw, pretty bird. Hello, pretty bird. Say hi, Sammy. Aw, you're so silly. What are you doing? Are you dancing? I put a mirror and some, I put clean food and a water bottle in there. Hopefully later on I'll be able to buy more toys for Sammy and get him or her a bigger cage. Night night, Sammy. Aw, my Indian. Look inside, Tweety. You see your reflection? Aww. Aw, Tweety reflection. See another bird in there?
Oh, my prince. Hello, Sammy. You're so pretty. Oh, you're doing their little dance. Oh, you're so pretty. Pretty little cockatiels. Oh, the pretty little cockatiel dance. Right, Sammy? Hi, Sammy. I just cleaned your diaper. Hi, baby. Oh, you're so precious. I just gave you some clean seeds and a clean paper and clean water. Oh. Now you're a happy little cockatiel, right? I just need to buy you some new toys. I don't want to spoil you. Aww, you're so pretty. Oh yeah, and I added a new cuddle bone. So you can chew. Little by little, I'll add things for you. Even though right now I'm just fostering you. But I love birds, so I spoil you guys. And now I need to clean my baby's cage, Tweety. He has a big cage. I just need to clean it now. Right, you're gonna watch me clean Tweety's diaper now? Aww. Hello! Hi, Sammy! This is the third day that I have Sammy. And we'll see what happens tonight. I have to work tonight. Hi, babies! You're so pretty. You don't have to be stressed, baby. It's okay. Okay? I know. But I promise I'll get you a big, big cage. Just like Tweety's cage. But yeah, we'll see if what the animal control tells my mom, because I'm gonna be at work tonight. So if they let us keep him or her, then the name is Sammy, and I will get him or her a big cage with lots of toys. And right now I'm working on it. Well, today's the 4th day, and so far I haven't heard anything back. But I went ahead and ordered a bigger cage just in case, and if someone claims Sammy before the cage arrives, then I'm just gonna give it to my Tweety. Right, Tweety? Hey boy, where are you hiding? Aww. Where's my boy? You don't want to be on camera. You're shy. Oh, look at pretty Sammy. Pretty bird. I'm gonna get you some new toys. Hey, princess. You too. You're in the video. Princess. Hey. Aww. Pretty chihuahua. Why is it blurry? Hey, babe. There you go. Aww. A little Spider-Man. I love you. Hello, pretty bird. Aw. I don't know how to whistle. Oh. Aw. Aw. Just come on, Tweety. You're curious. Hello, little Sammy. I'm gonna clean your cage. I already got you clean seats. I just need to change your the bottom paper for you. Okay? I'm gonna go ahead and do that so you can have a squeaky clean cage. And then I gotta change this paper. Hi, baby. There you go. I got you clean mirror. And I cleaned your water. I cleaned the seats. And I cleaned your paper. Now you're one happy little kid. Aw, pretty little Sammy. I'm gonna miss you. Cute, pretty birds. Hi, my birdies. Aww, Prince. You have a feather on your head. Aww, Sammy, are you whistling at me? Sammy's whistling at you. Aww. Okay, Sammy. And clean your cage so that you can have a squeaky clean cage. And get the ramen noodles. You want a clean cage? I already lost the paper towel. Clean the cage so you can have a squeaky clean cage, okay? There we go. I'm gonna give you a clean cage. You're gonna have a clean diaper. And you get to walk all over it. There we go. Now I'm gonna give you something.
Don't delay. Call 1-800-517-5231.
Baby blends. Yeah, I should have
$1,500 in savings, including a free toilet.
I'm gonna give you halfway, okay? Because I know that you like to be a little messy. There we go. You know, you got some clean food. I'll give you some bottled water. Some HEB brand water. This is the bird's water. Where did I put the little, There you go, Sammy. Give you halfway. There we go. And now I'm going to clean the bottom part. I'm going to clean your diaper. Want a white paper? I just need to fold this. The shape of the bottom part of the cage. I ordered Sammy a new cage. So it should be in the mail real soon, hopefully, so I can upgrade from Sammy from this parakeet cage to a bigger cage. I'll record it whenever it comes in. There we go. Got it all nice set for you. There we go. So now you have a clean cage. See, look at that squeaky cage. Aw, little Sammy. I want to touch your little feathers on the top right there. Aw, look at the angry sponge. Why are you so mad? You're so spongy. Are you being an angry sponge, huh? Aww. I love you, angry sponge. Aww. So precious, but so angry.